This is Zoom H5 recorder. In this video, I'm going to do a full review. I'm going to tell you why you need this one and what's the function, how the sounds quality. Let's get started. So first question is why you need this one? Because you got a camera, right? You can just record sound into the camera. But sometimes you probably have the issues that sound just didn't pick up. Maybe from the microphone, battery dead, or just a connection loose. You just lost all the soundtrack. That is horrible. And you have the copy in the recorder. It's just peace of mind. So I have a 4 channel. The first channel is on the top. It basically record the ambient sound. For example, the water, the sound of the forest or the bird, whatever. And in here, you can put your microphone in here, lavalier microphone or other kind of microphones. And also got 2 XLR plugs, so you can using studio microphones just goes into it. This is my lavalier microphone. I plug my lavalier microphone into the top, so it just cut off the microphone right here. So it just only pick up from the lavalier. So I unplug my lavalier microphone, so it pick up from the top. And this is the sound from the studio microphone. Probably this is the best quality. And also it got function that it can line out. You have the one copy in this recorder and the same sound source goes into the camera. Sometimes I just using this way to do my recording. And also it got a monitor. It means that you can put your headphone, just monitor what you are recording. This is really convenient. Also, it have some other functions you can adjust using the settings. And it use 2 AA batteries. Also, you can use your power bank to charge here. I mean that it just have you don't need to worry about the battery dead. It is a little bit big in my opinion, but it got so many functions, you can even take it with you. For example, you just put your lavalier here and put the recorder into your pocket. Still works well. I'm always using this way. I think I'm using this like every day. It's never died, works well, and good quality. I think the sound quality is really good as well. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.